Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert yellow color underline annotation on your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and this menu bar. Here you will find this comment option, click here, already selected, and here you will find this underline option and click the download and select here underline. Now drag your mouse cursor and select your text where you want to place your underline. As this green color underline, default underline now showing here, and this right sidebar. Here you will find this properties option. Now you can use this default yellow color. Also you can add this more color option, this yellow color, and select here more color or color pen. This is more color, and select here define custom color. Now you can add here any kinds of option yellow color and select OK and see this yellow color underline now added. Also you can increase decrease this color opacity, and this is underline thickness. You can increase decrease also underline thickness. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.